here at Tameron in Hoover. Thank you so much for your online inquiry. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you the Accord Sport. This one is a 2.0. I wasn't sure about which trim level that you were looking for, but we have plenty that you can choose from. All options, different colors. I just wanted to take the time out to introduce myself and show you a few things that comes on this one. We have your LED daytime running lights with the Honda sensing package. Your radar is here in the H, and that package includes your lane keep and assist, your adaptive cruise control, your automatic braking, and your road departure. Those things, well, the radar will detect where the lanes are and keep you inside the lanes, and you'll stay safe. That's got indicators on the side with your smart key entry, so you can just keep your keys inside your pocket and open up the door that way. In the inside, we have your leather trim seats with the powered seatings, your brake hold, the sport mode, heated seats, the list goes on and on, even a capless fuel filler right here on the side. I cannot wait to show you all the other cool features that we do have on this vehicle. Please give me a call at 256-626-1264 so I can set up that VIP appointment. And I can promise you one thing, when you decide to stop by here at Tameron in Hoover, you're going to love the way you're treated.